Shalom, thank you for the time and opportunity given to our group. We from Group 4 will present our work on the Kingdom Protista. I give the time and opportunity to the first presenter.
Red algas. Definition: Protista comes from the Greek protos and kritos. Protos means the beginning or the beginning, while kritos means through rings. So that protista are singlet or multi-threaded living things that are simple and already have a nuclear membrane. Characteristic of protista generally are unicellular living things, but there are also multicellular ones such as marine algae have a nuclear membrane of eukaryotes. So some are autotroph, some are heterotroph. Live in watery or deep habitats. Can live as a protista. Two or organisms have flagella or cilia. Respiratins is aerobic, the process of breaking down glucose compounds, recurrence, oxidation. Reproduction by generative and vegetative. Generative by conjugation. Vegetative by dividing. Life solitary or colony. Classification of protista. Number 1, plain-like protista. Characteristic: Vertebrates does not have true throat, stems, and leaves. His chlorophyll contained pyrenoid with functions to form starch. Unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular plant-like protista are often referred to as phytoplankton, while multicellular plant-like protista are often referred to algae. Reproduction by asexual dan seksual. Asexual reproduction by fragmentation, cell division, formation of spores and zygospores. Sexual reproduction by formation of male and female gametes. Next, next materi disiulang.
The next materi, example of plant-like protist. Number 1, resembling tail plants. It has. Number 2, chlorophyll A and C as well as editation, xanthophyll, and phytoxanthin pigments. Number 3, habitat is mostly in the sea. Number 4, reproduction by asexual and sexual. Sexual reproduction by fragmentation and zoospores. Sexual reproduction by oogamy. Eggs are produced by oogonia, while sperm are produced by antheridia. Example number 2, green algas. Number 1, there are single-celled, multi-celled colonies, treat, sepid, and seed. Number 2, the cells are eukaryotic. Number 3, it has chlorophyll A and B and the edit pigment carotene. Number 4, reproduction by asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction by cell division, fragmentation, formation of zoospores, alpanospores, and autospores. Sexual reproduction by isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. Example number 3, reed algas. Number 1, habitat in the sea. Number 2, multicellular. Number 3, has chlorophyll A and D and plant pigment phycocyanin and physoerythrin. The next materi, Triophalansisa.
Animal-like protista. Animal-like protista are also known as protozoa. Protozoa is taken from the Greek, namely protos, which means breeds, and soon, which means animals. That's why this breed has an affinity for animals. Its nature is almost the same as animal, namely heterotrophs, or cannot make their own food and can move actively. Example same protista animals. Number 1, Rhizopoda. The tool for locomotion is in the form of cytoplasmic protocation called pseudodia. Example of Rhizopoda: amoeba, foramifera, radiolaria. Number 2, Flagella. The tool for locomotion is a whip or flagellum based on the presence of chlorophyll. Flagella are divided into 2 groups, namely Phytoflagella atau has chlorophyll, and Subflagella does not have chlorophyll. Example of flagella: Euglenoviridis, Volvox globator, Nuticula miliaris, Trypanosoma gambiensis.
Okay, next materi, example number 3, ciliatus or hair sets. The tool for locomotion is cilia of fibering hairs. Fixed body shape, live in fresh water which contains many organic substances and bacteria. Some live in symbiosis in the intestines of vertebrata animals. Example of ciliata: Paramecium Caudatum, Stenor, Vorticella, Didinum, and Stylonychia. Mushroom like protists. Number 1, Mycomycota or slime fungus. Habitat in humid environments. The vegetative phase is shaped like mucus. It's like an amoeba or chelid amoeboid, multinucleated and not limited by a strong wall or called plasmodium. Reproduction like mushroom. Example of Mycocita, Dictyostelium, and Discodeum. Number 2, Omycota or water fungus. The structure is similar to algae but does not contain chlorophyll. Number 2, Omycota or water fungus. The structure is similar to algae but does not contain chlorophyll. Hyphae are not insulate, have many nuclei. The wall is cellulose. Asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction by zoospores. Sexual reproduction by producing a zygote. Some live parasite on fish. Example of Omycota: Phytora infestan pictum. Example number 3, Atrasiomycota. Habitat in humid environments. Body shapes like mucus or plasmodium. Hyphae insulate, multinucleated. Sexual reproduction by single and asexual reproduction by forming a fruiting body or fruiting body. Example of Atrasiomycota: Dictyostelium. Okay, that's the present text of our group. Ya baik, ini saja presentasi dari kelompok kami. Sekian dan terima kasih.